Okay, so let's look at example B now. It's the same directions. We need to find the markup or markdown and then find the final selling price. So with this example, we have a wedding dress that is originally $625 and it has a 3% markup by the shop owner. Okay, so our first step is to find percent of a number. So we need to find 3% of 625. Okay, this might be a little tricky for you guys because moving the decimal 2 times requires you moving it in a blank spot. So you have to move it 2 times. You cannot just choose to do it once. You have to do it 2. So 1, 2. In that blank spot, you're going to put a 0. And of means multiply. So we have 0.03 times 625. Okay, so let's do that multiplication. 3 times 5 is 15. 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1 is 7. 3 times 6 is 18. Okay, I put a 0 and then, well, if I did that, it would just be a row of zeros. So it wasn't really necessary. So I have 1875. But we cannot forget about our decimal. We have 1, 2 in the problem, so we need 2 in our answer. So that means that the markup is $18.75. Okay, so markup means that the shop owner is trying to get more money. He has to make a profit. So if it cost him $625, he's going to mark it up so that he makes money, which means that the selling price is going to be more than $625. So for our second step this time, we're not going to subtract, we're going to add. Okay, and we need to pay attention to our decimals again. So $625, instead of writing it that way, I'm going to write it with 2 zeros at the end, like that, so that I'm sure to line up my decimals. So I have 625.00 plus 18.75. Line up those decimals. 0 plus 5 is 5, 0 plus 7 is 7. 5 plus 8 is 13. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 1 is 4, and 6 plus nothing is 6. So our final selling price is $643.75.